My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author of the English. I have written 10 books or more and 2 books in my publication. So, my dear friend, I would like to say that why Islam is a dictatorship. Why the Islamic jurisprudence or Islamic theology full of dictatorship, full of arrogance, full of the barbaric nature. Because the origin of Islam is based on the hatred, based on the discrimination, based on the dividation of the whole humanity into two parts. That one is the non-Muslim, second is the Muslim. This fabricated Allah, which was created by Muhammad, is such type of creator, though he is not creator. Allah is not the creator, but Allah is the creation of Muhammad. This is why Islam has such type of the creator which cannot be a creator to seeing the crime which were committed by so-called Prophet Muhammad, self-proclaimed Prophet Muhammad. This is why I always used to this prophet as he was self-proclaimed prophet, or he is a fake prophet because he created the fake Allah. This is why when a man created an ideology on the basis of the discrimination, basis of the self wellness, so such type of ideology just equal to the Islam. Though many people also criticize the Sanatan Vedic Dharma, this is true that the Sanatan Vedic Dharma is also originated or launched by the people which was known as the Rishis Munis. But according to the Veda, where there is one concept, Vasudev Kutumbakam, means whole world is our family, then there is no need to say that Vasudev Kutumbakam is the prime aim of the Sanatan Vedic Dharma. Means Vasudev Kutumbakam is the prime aim of the Sanatan Vedic Dharma, means all universe is our family. Whenever we stated that all universe is our family, there will be no discrimination, there will be no dividation among the people. But in fact, Varun Vyavastha is also a dividation of the people on the basis of the deeds. There is a 4 Varnas in Sanatan Vedic Dharma: Kshatriya, Sudra, Vaishya or Brahman. Brahman means who know the reality or the wisdom. And today Brahman is telling lie. By birth they are Brahman, they are telling lie, they are greedy. They are too much greedy towards the money. They are not Brahman. They are just equal to by deeds as Sudra. Sudra does not mean who born in a scheduled caste. He can be a Sudra according to Vedas. No, this is not true. Truth is that if a by birth Sudra is working as an intelligence, he is Brahman. But due to some goons of the Sanatan Vedic Dharma, the priestly class, some of them created so havoc and the nuisance in the Sanatan Vedic Dharma. Though Sanatan Vedic Dharma has no concept of any discrimination, and this Varna Vyavastha is not fit for this time. So Varna Vyavastha is also maybe abrogated or always it is eliminated by us. Because everybody is now reading, everybody is learned. By birth is not essential that he is Brahman or the Vaisya or Sudra or the. So one Vyavastha is outdated Vyavastha, outdated system. Now we will see, but the Islam is adamant. Islam cannot be changed. According to the stupidity of Islam, Islamic book that is known as the Quran cannot be changed or cannot be an iota can be abrogated from the Quran. Though it is fact that the Quran has not its own original shape. When the Hazrat Ali, the son-in-law of the Muhammad and his cousin, the husband of Fatima, the daughter of Muhammad, had a Quran having 17,000 verses. But nowadays Quran only have 6,666 verses. And the original Quran was burnt by the Uthman or Usman, the third caliph of the Islam. So this Quran is the fabricated Quran and was amendment was done by the caliphate, that is Abbasid or the Umayyad or the Fatimis. So we can say the Islam, the root Islam is based on the discrimination, based on the barbarism, based on the vested interest only the Muslims. The Islam is only for the Muslims, and every Muslim who is Muslim has right to do anything with another non-Muslims. This is the dictatorship of Quran. This is the fallacy of the Quran. No creator can discriminate between Hindus and Muslims or Jews or Christians. Though creator is the imaginary word invented by the cult head at that time before 500 or 10,000 years ago, when the Sanatan Vedic Dharma was launched by the Rishi Munis. Same alike the Islam was launched by Muhammad for his vested interest. He created Allah for his vested interest, and when Allah was created by Muhammad, Allah did according to Muhammad's wish. When Muhammad was desired to fulfill his lust, Allah sent so many women to this Muhammad. Because Allah was the puppet and was doing accordingly as Muhammad wanted. When Muhammad wanted to marry with his daughter-in-law or the wife of his adopted son, or adopted by his first wife Khadija bin Khalid, Zaid bin Harith, his wife Zainab, when Muhammad saw the Zainab with half naked or ultimately naked, he went to his house, Zaid's house, without knocking. Whereas Muhammad always teaching to the people that you must knock the door, then you may be entered in the door. But Muhammad went without knocking, and his daughter-in-law, who was also his cousin, he saw the naked Zainab bin Harith, Zainab bin Jais. Jais was the cousin of the Muhammad, and he ultimately a verse of the Quran sent out by the Jibril, who was the Gabriel in Judaism. Jibril also the servant of Muhammad. Jibril came down with the verses that Muhammad can marry with his daughter-in-law if she is the wife of his adopted son. Means there is no adoption now, because Muhammad was lustful. Muhammad has desired to fulfill his lust. Then the Muhammad married the Zayd wife, his daughter-in-law named Zainab bin Jais. Same while the Muhammad when desired to intercourse with Zainab, same Zainab When Muhammad was standing in the street of the Medina, a woman was passed through the street. Muhammad saw that woman and he was uncontrolled, and he came to his house and intercourse with Zainab. And after intercourse with Zainab, he went to the Medina street and told to his companions that Aurat is not good, because after seeing this woman, I was compelled to intercourse with this my wife Zainab, who was seeing the leather clothes at that time. So Muhammad was only for the sex desire, let's fulfill the lust, looting the wealth of the non-Muslims, killing the non-Muslims. And what need of the killing of the non-Muslims by this Muhammad? Because without killing of any non-Muslim, you cannot kidnap or capture her wife or their wives, and cannot intercourse with the wives of the non-Muslims. This is why this Islam was incepted by Muhammad in such a way that this Islam was the group of the goons who created hooliganism in the shape of the robbers, rapists, and the killers. And mostly the Muslims were the pedophile. This is a mental disorder in the Muslim, where a adult Muslim can intercourse with a young child, as Muhammad did with Aisha bint Abu Bakr. She was 9 only, and he was 54 years old. So, salient feature of Islam is only to fulfill the lust, to loot the wealth of the non-Muslims, to kill the non-Muslims. For what? Because if the non-Muslim are alive, they are stronger. They cannot allow to any Muslim to snatch away their wives, their daughters, their mothers, their wealth, their crops, their health, their crop, their livestock as the animals, horses, weaponry, etc. So, to killing the non-Muslim of by the Muslims is the first object to a Muslim at the time of Muhammad. Only the robbery or fulfill the lust of the companions of the Muhammad, who were the vagabonds of the Medina. They were loitering throughout the Arab, only looted the woman. Muhammad attacked, only fulfilled the lust with his companions, lust of the wealth. So Muhammad certified the robbery in Islam as a Mali Ganimat, and Muhammad took 20% share of that robbery. So this prophet was the robber, killer, and the head of the goons, which were creating nuisance throughout the world. And this was continuing until the Islam was in full power, that at the time of the Ottoman Caliphate. This is why Ahmad Shah Abdali, Nadir Shah, these all Islamic invaders came to India and did accordingly as so-called self-proclaimed prophet did. And this is very irony that these invaders are the icon or the role model of these people, as Ahmad Shah Abdali is the role model of Afghanistan. Same Uzbekistan ideal is Temur Lang. Nadir Shah is the ideal of the Iran. So Islam is totally a stupidity in the name of the Muhammad and Allah. But this dictatorship cannot be absorbed now, because we knew very well that Muhammad was a robber, not a prophet. There is no Allah. Allah is the only fallacy. So the base of Islam is totally Goonism. There is no any good thing in Islam with the non-Muslims. So this Islamic God or Allah is not alike the God of Sanatan Vedic Dharma, though the God creation is only the hypothesis which was created by in the brain of the Rishi Munis, because we cannot prove or disapprove this power who created this nature. So this power is known as the power of having any body or the shapeless, because we cannot prove that that person is God or that person is not God. And who is die, who is taking birth is may not be God. So in the last I would like to say the base of Islam is full of stupidity, violence, and thus self-interest of the Muslims only. This is a business for looting the wealth of the non-Muslims. The Muhammad also sold the woman in the market of the Najd and purchased so many slaves as women and men. So Muhammad was the head of the groups of the vagabonds which were living in Medina at that time. Thank you very much. See you.